What's up everybody, back with another video, and this will be a quick video. As you can see, we just got a small haul today. We are adding 3 Mini GTs to the collection, but yeah, I think we got some pretty nice models here, and I would say we get into the unboxing and start with this one here, which is number 491. And yes, it's another Nissan GT-R, and it's kind of funny. This car in real life definitely isn't one of my favorite cars, but you know, a lot of diecast brands throw very cool liveries on this model, and so did Mini GT, and I had to get another one. And this is the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35GT-RR LB Racing Formula Drift 2022. So let's get our trusty Swiss Army knife, cut the plastic wrapping, and open this one up. And it already looks pretty cool. There we go. So here's our GTR. And yeah, this one is looking very good. I mean, look at all these details. If you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, then you know I'm a huge fan of rally liveries, racing liveries, and yeah, I mean, you got a lot to see on this GTR. I mean, look at all these details, all the sponsor logos here on the side, all the little letterings. So cool. We even got details here on the wing, which is very cool. Or look right here. This is the back. We got lensed taillights and more details. This is the front. Lensed headlights and a lot of details, and even here on the roof a lot of sponsor logos. And you know, if you are a Mini GT fan, then you know that the special thing about these models is that normally they do roll very well, and so does this guy here. Now maybe you think you've seen this deco before, and yes, you did. It was this one here, the Nissan Silvia, and yeah, it's not exactly the same deco, but yeah, it's kind of similar. Both two really cool models. I think my favorite is still the Silvia. It's coming with these with this extreme low stance. Yeah, another really nice model, this Nissan GT-R. So let's put this one to the side as we go on with another BMW M4 GT3. This one we got number 24 from the BMW Team RLL 2022 IMSA Daytona 24 hours. Number 394, by the way. here we go. So the thing is, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of this huge grille on this BMW, but besides that, I mean, this car is looking so cool as a racing version. I mean, on this particular version, you do not really notice the grille because it's completely blacked out, as you will see when the car turns around. Here we go. But this is such a cool casting from Mini GT. Once again, all the details. Rolls, we get lensed headlights, lensed taillights, a lot of details on the roof, on the wing, and here on the side, as you can see, the Puma logo, which is also pretty cool. We got this windshield banner, which is very, very nice. So yeah, I got a lot of versions of this particular casting, and here is another one that yeah, looks kind of similar, but as you take a closer look, you will see, sorry, that these two are different. Because this is the same one in red. So as you can see, we got number 25 and now number 24. This is such a cool casting. I really, really like it. And our last one for today is this guy here, Porsche 911 Targa. Or here on the on the packaging it says Targi, but I'm pretty sure they mean Targa 4S Heritage Design Edition GT Silver Metallic. Targi. Hope I didn't get a fake version. I'm just kidding. I think it's just they just spelled it wrong. There we go. So let's take a look at this one here. So the special thing for sure on the side is the number 50. We got the Porsche lettering, as you can see. I really love the rims. I think they do look very, very cool. I love this, yeah, I think you can call it cream interior, and look at all these details. You can see it, pretty nice steering wheel. Does roll very nice. This is also the second version of this casting. This is the other version that I do have. And look right here, what a nice pair in my opinion. Silver and red. Really, really nice. So, you know, at the end of every video, trying to pick a favorite, and yeah, I would say it's this one, the BMW. I think it's my favorite Mini GT casting right now. I think that will change in the future, but this one is so cool. So much going on these BMWs, this racing livery, all of those details. They are so nice on display. Pretty cool Mini GT model. And once again, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.